Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to make raspberry verbena pie and unlock the recipe in Heartopia during the Modular Street Festival event. Okay, let's get into it guys. So these are the festival foods from the Modular Street Festival. And then I'm going to unlock this one, raspberry verbena pie. First, you need to have the fruit verbena pie recipe. You can buy it from Massimo's cooking store. Then you're going to use the brick serving cart to make it. I'm going to use this recipe and we're going to replace the fruit with a raspberry. Since we want to make, oops, sorry guys, not this one. Sorry, I clicked the wrong recipe. This one, we're going to replace the fruit, and these are the ingredients that you need. You need butter, egg, and this lemon verbena. And I'm going to replace with a raspberry. Okay, and then we will unlock the raspberry verbena pie recipe after this. Next time, when you want to make the raspberry verbena pie, you just need to use the new recipe. Okay, done. Okay, and next time if you want to make it, just use the recipe. This one. Okay guys, and oops, sorry guys, this one. Okay guys, and that's how we can make raspberry verbena pie in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.